Math time with Mr. G, and we're going to do some more circumference versus arc length. So the first thing is, if we have a circle, this is 360 degrees. But why? The reason behind it is just some ancient Greek liked the number 360, and we've just all agreed to it over thousands of years. This is why we created the term radians. So radian is a radius of 1 in a circle. We know that circumference is diameter times pi, which means that the diameter to a basic circle of radiant 1 is another one here, so it's 2 times pi. All radians are dependent on this. So if I cut the circle in half and I now have a half circle here, it's 180 degrees. But if I cut the circle here, it is 1 radiant. So now let's use this to kind of find circumference of these three shapes. So they asked us to find the circumference, which means we're going to have to double and get 3x, x, and 5x. That means that the circumference for A is 6x, because 3 and 3, and pi, because it's diameter times pi. B is going to be 2x times pi, and C is going to be 10x times pi. They told us to find the sum, so add them all together. So then I get 18x times pi. They said the final answer is, so equals 63 pi. I divide pi from both sides, and I divide 18 from both sides. And I get 3.5. They told me to find AC, which is 3x and 5x. So 8x is AC. We know that x is 3.5. And we can multiply those together to find 28 is the distance for AC. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.